Updating your payment information on Shopify is essential for ensuring smooth transactions and keeping your account secure. Follow these simple steps to update your payment details quickly. Step 1. Log into your Shopify account. Access your Shopify account by visiting the Shopify website and entering your login credentials. Make sure you are using the correct store account to avoid any issues. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once logged in, locate the Settings option at the bottom left corner of your admin dashboard. Click on it to access various settings related to your store. Step 3. Select Payment Providers. In the Settings menu, find and click on Payment Providers. This section allows you to manage all aspects of payment processing for your store. Step 4. Update payment information. Within the Payment Provider section, look for the option to edit your payment information. Here, you can update your credit card details, bank account information, or any other relevant payment settings. Step 5. Save changes. After making the necessary updates, ensure you click the Save button at the bottom of the page. This will confirm your changes and keep your payment information current. By following these steps, you can easily update your payment information on Shopify. Regularly checking and updating your details helps maintain your store's financial health.